Affiliate marketing is simply promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone buys. No inventory. No customer service. No product creation. Start by choosing a niche. The best ones are make money online, health and fitness, and relationships. If you're watching this, you're already in the make money online niche, perfect. Next, pick a product or platform to promote. Look for high commissions, recurring income, and beginner-friendly systems. Examples include tools, funnels, or training platforms. Instead of sending people directly to a link, use a simple funnel, opt-in page to collect emails and a bridge page to explain the offer. This builds your list so you can follow up and make more sales over time. Traffic is everything. You can use YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or blogging. Focus on value content, not spamming links. Most people don't buy right away. That's why email marketing is powerful. Follow up daily with value and recommendations. So the process is simple: pick a niche, choose an offer, build a funnel, drive traffic, and follow up. If you want a done-for-you system that already has everything set up, check the link in the description.